FoodZaps is a POS system that allows customers to order online. As long as you own a restaurant, food truck, a kiosk, or even a retail shop, you can use this POS system as long as you have an Android phone or a tab. Now let's review FoodZaps' great functions. You can design your own website, allows your customer to visit your website or even scan the QR code on your table to order their food. Pre-ordering and customer self-collection are not even a problem. Scared of staff who keep coming in late, taking unnecessary breaks, tangkap ular, or being unreliable? No worries, customer self-order can reduce manpower and costing because everything is automated. It is a bonus if you have a takeaway group targeting customers. You can have your own customer database with FoodZaps. For example, in Penang, we have a customer called Guanjing Restaurant, Yuan Cheng. This food court has a strategy which is to collaborate with other nearby stores to do their food delivery together. By doing so, their website has more variety to choose from and has even less operation costs as there are no 30% delivery charges for other delivery platforms. Scared of staff stealing money? Relax. You can set authorization for every staff member for access to the cash register or only print one bill at a time. Too many functions? Feeling is complicated to operate? No worries. We provide one-to-one training and live support. Besides that, you can get help from the YouTube website forum. Contact us anytime if you encounter any problems. Do not worry about the apps being unstable. FoodZaps has been in the Singapore market since 2014 and then entered Malaysia in 2017. Our programmer will assist you if you encounter any problems. Scared of blackout? Unstable internet connection? Don't be afraid as FoodZaps can operate offline until it is back to online. It will sync database and upload to the cloud. It is not a problem to manage your business anytime, anywhere. You just need to do it online to customize all of your reports, hourly sales, table sales, or even use the Google Analytics to help you professionally analyze your customers' spending behavior or their likes and so on. What are the benefits of being our customer? First, lifetime support and all hardware are entitled to a 1-year warranty. Second, we will hold course once per month, training our customer on how to advertise on Facebook and Google. Third, if you just started your business, we will assist you to register your business on Google Maps. So next time, your customer can look for you on the Google Map or Grab. Our customer can enjoy special promotion when ordering thermal paper and even have them to send it to your doorstep, only within KK City. Fifth, we will help you to record a video to advertise your business for free. It will be the upload to the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube or other websites to market your business. What are you waiting for? Just contact us right now. Find POS system, find us saying, we will help you shoot video.